Honda has once again raised the bar in the touring motorcycle segment with the introduction of the 2025 Gold Wing Trike, a legendary name that's been synonymous with long-distance comfort and cutting-edge innovation for decades. Now comes with an extra wheelie and a whole new level of confidence, luxury, and technology for riders who crave stability and presence on the open road. The 2025 Gold Wing Trike is built on the same platform as the Gold Wing Tour but comes equipped with a factory-integrated trike conversion, eliminating the need for third-party aftermarket kits. This move shows Honda's commitment to addressing the growing demand for three-wheeled touring bikes, particularly from riders looking for added balance, enhanced safety, and top-tier long-haul comfort. Visually, the 2025 Gold Wing Trike is a head-turner. It retains the aerodynamic silhouette of the two-wheeled Gold Wing but gains a robust and elegantly designed rear end that houses the two rear wheels. The bodywork has been completely re-engineered to integrate the trike setup seamlessly. The lines flow smoothly from front to rear, with the fenders and storage compartments blending naturally into the bike's luxurious aesthetic. LED lighting extends throughout the design, with a bold, new rear lighting setup that ensures high visibility from all angles. One of the most impressive aspects of this trike is its powertrain. It's equipped with Honda's proven 1833cc flat-six engine, the same powerhouse found in the Gold Wing Tour. This engine delivers 125 horsepower and 130 Nm of torque, providing effortless acceleration even with the added weight of the trike conversion. Paired with the smooth 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and optional reverse gear, the Gold Wing Trike offers the kind of refined and predictable performance that long-distance riders value. Comfort and luxury have always been at the heart of the Gold Wing experience, and the 2025 Trike continues that tradition. The seat has been redesigned for improved support and cushioning, with a wider base and upgraded materials. The passenger seat is equally plush, complete with integrated backrest and armrests, making this a true two-up touring machine. Heated seats and grips come standard, ensuring comfort across all climates and seasons. Technology is another standout area. The 2025 Gold Wing Trike features a full-color 7-inch TFT screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The navigation system is more advanced, now featuring real-time traffic updates and weather overlays to help riders plan better routes. Bluetooth connectivity, a premium 4-speaker audio system, and voice command integration allow riders to stay connected without compromising safety. Storage is a huge plus on this model. Thanks to the trike's wider rear end, Honda has introduced a new integrated trunk system with more than 150 liters of combined cargo space. The new trunk not only accommodates two full-face helmets but also includes an optional cooling compartment for drinks or perishables, a first in its class. The saddlebags remain spacious and now feature a keyless open and close system. Safety and stability have seen significant upgrades as well. The Trike comes equipped with Honda's new electronic stability assist system, which actively monitors cornering, braking, and wheel spin, combined with an anti-lock braking system and traction control. The 2025 Gold Wing Trike offers unparalleled stability, even on wet or uneven terrain. The independent rear suspension, newly developed for this model, ensures a smoother ride while maintaining high levels of control and feedback. Another new feature is the auto-leveling suspension system. When riding solo